Hello everyone, back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about common errors in Microsoft Excel. I will start by opening my folder. So this is the first error. When we see this is the first error, and which is called the hash error. So for it to correct, and this error indicates that the space is not enough for the work that you've typed, meaning it cannot accommodate the work you've typed. So what you do, you just come here, you see that plus sign. What you do, you just adjust your column. So when you adjust it, it will show clearly the work you've typed, meaning now the space is enough. So that is the first error we are talking about. Then we shall see on the next error. The second error is the division error. Then for this case, I will have some values that I will use to show you how this error comes about and how it is corrected. Maybe I have 56, have this, also get that, get this, get maybe that, get that, and also maybe this. So I'm done. For this, how this error comes about, you choose any number from there, you divide it by 0. Let's say I'll get my equal signs, you open the bracket, I'll get my 70, this one. Maybe I can choose this one. I divide it by this one. Oh my god, I divide it by this one. Divide it by this. Then after I close my brackets, I press enter. So it will give you a division error. What does this mean? Meaning you have divided a number with a wrong value. And you very well know that mathematically there is no number that can be divided by 0. So what you do to correct this error, go where there is your 0, you just edit in it, you put any value that you think it's correct than that, then you press enter. Automatically the error will be corrected and you'll get the right answer. So having done that, we shall go to the next error, which is the name error. For this case, how the name error comes about, maybe let me get these values to use. The name error comes about. So let's see, for the name error, what you're going to do, let's say I want to sum up these values. You very well know the function for summing up, it is equals, then sum, you sum up the value you want. Then I'll put my equal sign, then sum. But instead of writing the word sum, which is correct, maybe I'll write it wrongly. Then I open my brackets. This is what I want to sum up, all of this. Then having done that, I close my bracket. So I press enter. It will automatically give you a name error. Why? This is because instead of using the right function, you use the wrong function. How? By putting a wrong spelling in the function. So how to go about this? You just edit. What you do, you just insert in a correct spelling of that. Then you sum up the work you want. So automatically it will give you the right answer. So that's the name error, how it's corrected. So maybe what I can also talk about, I'll talk about the other value error. So for this value error, what you're going to do, yeah, I'll use sum. This is sum. work that I'm going to use. You see how the value error comes about and how it is corrected. So what you're going to do, let's say I want to sum up the whole of this one, that one, and this one. What I will do, I use our function for summing up. Then I'll put my equal signs, then I open my bracket. I say this one, this one's, I add this one as well. Then I also sum up with this one. So then I close my bracket, I press enter. So what I can do for this, then I close my brackets for here, then I close my bracket. So that's the answer. So for this case, having done that, so I do the same for this up to down. I sum up. So when I sum up that, it will give me a value error. So what does it mean? It means you have included a word somewhere which is not supposed to be there. So instead of a figure, you put a word. How to correct this error? You will just check on your work, you edit it. You see where there is this word, you delete it. Then you put there the value, feel it's better. So you press enter, automatically the error will be corrected. So those are some few errors that are common in Microsoft Excel, and for this matter, I'll beg to stop here. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also comment, you share the video. Let's meet in the next video whereby we shall look at on how to make report cards. Let's meet in the next video.